I'll be showing you a very powerful and accurate strategy that you can use to detect spike on the boom or crash index just few minutes before they occur in your trading. So this strategy is quite accurate and I've researched it very well. I have back tested it and it's something that you can use add to your trading tool in your before you trade on the boom and crash indices. So if you are ready for that, let's dive into it.
This Deriv bot can trade on a small account balance and make 100% profits within 2 minutes. All you have to do is connect the bot to your Deriv account and allow it trade automatically. Let me show you now. Excellent. Now you have seen how the bot is trading and making profits. How can I download the bot? Please head on to this website, soget.com. Register an account, log into your dashboard and download the bot free. Yes. For a limited time, the bot is available for free download.
All right, welcome back. So, like I said, this strategy is what you can use to dictate a spike on boom and crash just before they occur. So it's quite accurate. So it's just a single indicator that you'll be using. So once you have that indicator, using the right settings, you'll be able to get accurate, good signals on when just few minutes just before a spike will occur. So the indicator we are using for the strategy to dictate just when the spike will occur is the relative strength index indicator. So when you want to, just for you to install it on your chart, you simply come to insert here. Under insert, you go to indicator, then you come to oscillators. So under the oscillator, just click on the relative strength index. So once you click on it, it will be installed on your chart. So now already I already have the relative strength index on my chart. So but what I have is a custom indicator. It's a custom relative strength indicator that has an alarm feature. So because this strategy, it will alert you, you need to have the right settings on when the accurate conditions are met before you can now take your decisions on the boom or crash market, depending on the one that you have. So this custom indicator, I will put a link in the description on how you can download it. So the settings for this strategy, which from our research, our back testing has shown a high level of accuracy. If you come to the indicator settings here, okay, so you can see the RSI, the upper level, leave it at 90. Then the lower level, which is the oversold region, leave it at 10. So just that is just for all of them. So we have the boom 500, crash 1000, and the other two here. So I'll just tell you the conditions that should be met for your so that you could be able to accurately predict when a spike will occur. So what are the conditions? So you simply come down to your RSI indicator at the bottom here. You see that whenever the RSI is on a overbought region and the RSI is on 90 and above, when the RSI is on 90, now you can see that this RSI here is on 65. If it's on 90 and above on overbought region, on the crash 500, on the crash 500 or 1000, it means that it is very likely that a spike will occur within the next few minutes, maximum of between 5 to 10 candles. So that is what we have been able to research for a very long period of backtest, and there is a very high degree that the spike will occur on within 5 to 10 candles, which is 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes marks on the 1 minute time frame. So if I just take you back, let me just show you some things here. So you just see it. If I scroll back, just monitor the chart. All right, so you can see here now, you can just see what I'm talking about here. You can see that on this this price, you can see this is where the RSI is at 91. You can see it's at 90 here. So at the top of the on the chart, which is just the candle, which is around here, you can see that when the RSI crossed 90 at this overbought region here, you can see that within just the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, within the next 6 candles, which is 6 minutes, you can see that a spike occurred. So that is the accuracy of this strategy. So let me just show you another instance. All right, you can see another signal here. You can see another signal here. You can see that on this signal here, you can see at this point here again, you can see that the RSI crossed 90 here. You can see that the RSI was 90 here, and just within 4 candles, 1, 2, 3, just within 4, that's 4 minutes, a spike occurred. Of course, this is the crash 500, so it's always bullish. Then a sell spike will always occur. So that is another one that you need to look out for. So this is just to show you the accuracy of this of this indicator. That's the RSI. So this indicator, like I said, is a custom indicator, and I'll put a link in the description of how you can download it, because the advantage of this indicator is that it has a sound alert. So you don't need to just use the normal RSI indicator on your MT5. Of course, when you make the settings, there is no alarm on it. So sometimes you may not be on your chart, or you may be on another, or maybe you are browsing on a certain website on your laptop, and you may not be aware when the RSI would have cost 90. So you just have this custom indicator so that the alarm bell will trigger, and it will draw your attention to your chart, so you could be able to take a decision on what you do based on the conditions that have been met. So let me just go back again and show you more signals. Okay, so you can see here again, you can see this one just, you can see here in this section here, you can see that the RSI was just 90 here, and within 1 minute, just within a minute, a spike occurred. You can see how accurate this strategy is. So you can see that I've showed you 3 instances where this indicator gave us clear signals on when to detect spike. So this is how you are able to detect spike on your boom or crash indices. Let me show you another. Let's go to another market. So let's go to the boom 1000. Let's see boom 1000 index. Let's see how the strategy occurs on boom 1000. Of course, the strategy is not 100%. There are times that the conditions may be met, and the market will still continue in that direction. So what I recommend, or what I advise, is that once you see that the conditions are met and you want to enter a trade, if you notice that the spike doesn't occur in maximum of 10 candles, because there are times whereby the market will continue in that direction, probably when the trend is very strong, if it's in a sell trend like this boom 1000. So once you see maximum of 10 candles and the spike does not occur, just exit the trade. So you can see now, let me just show you what I'm talking about here. You can see, of course, this is the boom 1000. So in the boom 1000, we're looking at the oversold region. And in this oversold region here, you can see the RSI got to 10 here. You can see it is on 10 here, and you can see that the next few candles, this should be 10-20 minutes. You can see that the spike didn't occur. The spike occurred far many minutes after the conditions were met. So like I said, just make sure that 10 candles max. If the spike doesn't occur, exit the trade. This is, of course, there's no strategy that is 100% in the forex industry. So let me just show you another signal about this strategy. All right, so you can see here now, you can see this is a very good signal here. You can see on this place here, the RSI is 10 here, and you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can see on the 10th candle, we got the spike. So you can see that the accuracy is still there. Just on the 10th candle, the bullish spike occurred. So that is just how this indicator works. So I believe 90-10 is the best. We've tried so many settings before we produce this video, and we backtested it very well. So 90 for the overbought region when you are dealing on crash, and 10 for the oversold region when you are dealing on boom. So yeah, we have another signal here. You can see here. All right, you can see. Okay, so you can see on this section here, you can see we have 10 here, and you can see that just within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, on the 7th minute the spike occurred. So this is just how you are able to catch spikes or dictate when a spike will occur on your boom or crash indices. So let me just see another. You can see here again, you can see this is another one. This is a very close one. Just here we had the RSI go to 10. So whenever the indicator gets to the settings that you set, the bell alarm will ring. So just make sure that you set your indicator very well. And let me just show you. Just right click on the line, then click on properties. So this is the indicator, and then once, make sure that you get the settings here. In this place here, it says play sound when above or below the level. So just make sure that you select it as true, because once it's true, then the sound will play, the bell will go, so it will draw your attention to your system, so you can be able to take your trade, or you can be alerted when the condition is met. So this is a very accurate way of how you can predict when a spike will occur in your boom or crash indices. Okay, so this is another very good signal here. You can see here, you can see on this portion here, the okay, you can see we got 10 here. So like I said, within the next 10 minutes max, you should get a bullish spike on your crash. And if it doesn't, if the spike doesn't occur within 10 minutes, then exit the trade. So let me just show you. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9. The 10th candle gave us the spike. So this is what we've been able to research on, and I believe it's something that you can utilize in your strategy. So please make sure to practice this on the demo account very well. Monitor how it works. Thank you for your time, guys, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.